Ladies and gentlemen, it is that time of the year again where I reveal all of my different income streams and how much money each of them are paying me every single month. It's only been 4 months since my last update video, but things have changed massively since then, so today we're gonna do an update. Before we get into things with this video, I hate that I have to say this, but my intention is definitely not to brag or flex on you guys with how much money I make every single month. In fact, it's quite the opposite. I want to motivate you guys to go out there, try to make some extra money for yourselves, and also most of this income that I'm going to talk about in this video has to do with YouTube, and that obviously wouldn't be possible without your support, so thank you so much for that. When I first started this YouTube channel 3 years ago, I would have never imagined to be making the type of money from it that I am now. It's literally such a surreal feeling because when I first started this channel, for the first 18 months, I didn't make a single dollar from it, but I still enjoyed the process of filming and editing videos just as much as I do now, and I honestly don't think that'll ever change. With that said, in typical Drake fashion, starting from the bottom and working our way up, the 5th income stream I have is TikTok ad revenue. For those of you who don't know, at the start of this year, TikTok launched a $1 billion creator fund for creators with more than 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the past 30 days, and it vows to pay creators anywhere between 3 and 5 cents per 1,000 views. Unless you're Charlie or Dixie D'Amelio, this amounts to jack shit. As you guys can see by my TikTok analytics, between May 6th and May 31st, for example, I got 1.7 million views on TikTok, and my creator fund for the month equaled $47.92. Absolutely not great, but on the bright side, TikTok has started to pay me really good money in terms of all of the brand deals you can get. I started putting my business email in the bio of my TikTok account, and boom, I started getting a good amount of emails from companies wanting me to promote them. Most of them are scam crypto altcoins who just want me to pump and dump them, like what FaZe K and RiceGum did with Save the Kids.
And I support Save the Kids token.
Save the Kids token.
Save the Kids token.
Obviously, I reject all of those sketchy brand deals, but out of every like 20 or 30 emails I get from companies, I find one company I want to work with. To give you guys an example of a company I really like to work with, this video is sponsored by none other than MyBookie. I've been working with them for quite a while on this channel, and once again this weekend, we are going to be doing a video together over on my TikTok page where I bet on Conor McGregor's rematch fight. Over on my TikTok, we've been doing a series trying gambling, and so far I've turned $2,000 into almost $9,000. For those of you who don't know, MyBookie is the #1 way in the world to bet on sports. You can bet on all sorts of different games around the world, and if you use my code WOLF50 when you sign up and make an account using the link down below, you can get up to $1,000 worth of bonus cash to bet with. Thank you, MyBookie, for sponsoring this video. Now let's get into my 4th income stream. Income stream number 4 for me is side hustles. Now, as many of you guys know, my channel is all about me trying different side hustles, so you guys can see a real experience of what it's like. This month, I made a bunch of different videos about different side hustles, and I made a total of $700 profit, but most of that money came from a single video I did where I tried phone flipping for a week. This is basically where you buy and resell phones for a profit, and in a single week with the side hustle, I made almost $400 profit, which is absolutely not bad. One of the best side hustles I've tried so far. After that first video on the topic, I decided I wanted to keep going with phone flipping and do a 30-day challenge with it, and I got all the way up to $550 profit before realizing that it was getting kind of repetitive, and I already covered everything I wanted to in my initial video on phone flipping, so I stopped everything at once and called it a day. Moving on, my 3rd biggest stream of income is affiliate marketing. For those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's pretty much when you send someone to a website with a link, and if the person buys the product or signs up for the service you're suggesting, you get a commission. For me personally, I work with 3 different affiliate companies, which include Robinhood, WeBull, and Shopify. In total, these affiliates pay about $1,000 each month. Starting things off with Robinhood, as you guys can see by my computer screen, Robinhood alone pays me $180 every single month, and all I really do is link them in my video description, and occasionally, maybe like one time a month, I'll mention them at the end of a video. WeBull is definitely my biggest paying affiliate right now, since I mention them the most out of any other affiliates I work with, and they pay me a $30 free stock for every single person that signs up and deposits $100 on the platform. Guys, I swear this video seems like a huge plug for all of my sponsors and affiliates, and I'm really not trying to make it that way. Jesus Christ. My 2nd biggest stream of income that made me exactly $4,500 last month is sponsorships. A lot of you guys may not know this, but for most people who do social media as a job, sponsorships are their main stream of income. For me personally, it's a close second second, but until recently I never really did them. I've now realized that doing the occasional 1 to 2 sponsored mentions every single month on YouTube doesn't really affect viewer experience, and it frees up extra money to be able to pay my editor and filmer to help me out, spend more money on content ideas. And for example, with this MyBookie brand deal that I got in this video, I am going to be taking my best friend on a trip to Los Angeles, California with me, and we're going to be filming a bunch of videos with my friend Reyes the entrepreneur, and we're also going to do a video where we go to Beverly Hills and ask mansion owners,
what do you do for a living?
Are you Daniel from TikTok?
Starting to make videos on TikTok has also allowed me to pretty much double my monthly income from sponsorships, since I can do an additional 1 to 2 sponsorships on TikTok every month, and if I ever get a sponsor on YouTube, I can charge them extra to also get a mention on TikTok. Finally, the last of my 5 streams of income is, you guessed it, YouTube ad revenue. Everyone thinks of this when it comes to making money on YouTube, but the truth is a lot of creators don't make anything from this, since YouTube's super picky about who they pay and who they don't. I seem to be one of the lucky ones, however, since when you go on my YouTube studio, you guys can see I earned a grand total of $4,819.21 for the month of June. This is slightly on the higher end of what I usually make, as you guys can see, but I can pretty much bet in the month of July things are going to get even better. I'm going to shoot for $10,000 in a single month from YouTube ad revenue. I don't know what it is, but I feel like this channel is about to blow up. Hopefully I'm right, some banger videos are coming soon, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.